Hey, fellow mathers. Before we get into this episode, we want to share with you how you can get access to free content, professional learning that will keep your students engaged and doing the math that matters. Get ready to go to this link, mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge.
That's right. Registration is open for the free Math is Figureoutable Challenge that's starting May 15th and runs to the 17th at 7 p.m. Central. We're going to have 3 nights jam-packed with learning and routines that you can take straight to your classroom.
In these challenges, we have a great time. We do some math, talk about classroom experiences, give away super cool bonuses and prizes. You won't just walk away with routines that are naturally engaging and encourage your students to think mathematically. You'll also have a chance to win over $6,000 worth in prizes, including a few virtual PD sessions for your school. I'll be joined by my wonderful co-host Kim and special guest Jenna Labe.
You can register at mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge for a fantastic learning experience. That's mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge. Now on to the show.
Hey, fellow mathers. Welcome to the podcast where math is figure-outable. I'm Pam.
And I'm Kim.
And this episode is a Math Strat Chat episode where we chat about our math strategies. Every Wednesday evening, I throw out a math problem on social media, and people from around the world chat about the strategies they use and comment on each other's thinking.
Okay, so this Wednesday, the problem that you threw out on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram was, I wrote it down, 2/3 of 12. How would you guys solve this problem? Pause the podcast, solve it any way you want. The problem is 2/3 of 12.
Cool.
Okay, I'm going to go first because I remember what you did last week and I liked it.
Okay.
Because it is kind of a strategy that I adore. So if we knew that 3/3 of 12 was 12, that's like the whole amount, then I could think about 1/3 of 12, which is 4. And I could say 3/3 minus 1/3. So 8 minus 4. Sorry, 12 minus 4 is 8. So nice. 2/3 of 12 is 8.
Cool. And I'll do what you did last week. I'll think about 1/3 of 12, kind of like you just did. And I'm going to actually talk about how I think about 1/3 of 12. Okay. 1/3 of 12, I have to partition 12 into 3 equal chunks. And so 12 divided by 3. Therefore, 1/3 of 12 is 12 divided by 3, which is 4. And I need 2 of those 1/3. 2 4s is 8.
You know, why is it that in school we tell kids to, no, we don't, but kids are taught to do 2 times 12 divided by 3.
Yeah.
It makes so much more sense to me that you would think about 1/3 of something and know that 2/3 is 2 1/3. So you would double that something.
Yeah.
Why is that?
Yeah, because we learned math as fake math, that we were just supposed to mimic stuff, and teachers want a general procedure that works for any fraction multiplication problem. But we're suggesting that's not the way mathers think. Mathers actually think about the numbers given the particular problem, and they use what they know to solve it, just like we just did. Yeah. Nice. All right.
So we can't wait to hear what you do. Join us on Math Strat Chat and let us know how you think about the problems each week. And we love it when you comment on other people's strategies, like I know you love it when we comment on yours.
Absolutely. And we'll post the problems Wednesdays at 7 p.m. Central Time. And when you answer, tag me and use the hashtag MathStratChat. And then, like Kim said, comment on other strategies. Then join us here to hear how we're thinking about the problem. Y'all, thanks for making math more and more figure-outable. Thank you for listening and making math more figure-outable.
To learn even more, make sure you register for our free challenge at mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge. You are not going to want to miss the evenings of May 15th through 17th, starting at 7 p.m. Central.
Math teaching, go register now. That's mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge. Join us to make math more and more figure-outable. And if you can't join live, register and we'll send you access to the recordings. We'll see you there.